Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my mini happy planner dashboard that I use as my everyday catch-all planner. And this week I will be using happy blooms mixed in with some jewel tone boxes. All right, let's get started. All right, so I'm just making sure that I'm actually in line because I feel like, there we go. Okay, so how do I want to do this? Because I'm using that. Ooh. Okay, so I just want to make sure that floral, and those. Do I want to save this for my horizontal? Maybe? I don't know. But let's grab my white out of here. Almost dropped my planner on the floor. There we go. Now, I know there's some jewel tone boxes that I'll be able to put in here as well, but I think what I'm gonna do, there's these, but they very similar to that, but it's not really. I have to think about as well. I do want to put quotes in here, but which book would work well for that? Possibly, let's even look at Wild Style, because it's the one that's right here. Let's do, I'm also trying to think of what's going to work well on this here too. Why don't we just do one big floral, just like so. Then I'm going to grab a box to go down this side maybe, and there's green, but that green doesn't really match. Purple would be good, or the orange also looks very good, or the pink. I feel like I'm gonna go with the pink on this one, though the pink doesn't really match. Might have to do the purple. But that purple doesn't fully match either. Poop. Let's find the orange. And it might have to be the orange. Yeah, it'll be the orange. So I'm going to take this big orange one and put it right down the side. Yep. There we go. Then I want to go into Wild Style to see if I can find a quote to put here. Just a quote. Now I don't know if this book will have a lot. That Be True to You works. Wow, I've used a lot in this book. Be true to you. There's got to be more. Oh, there. Lots there. I do like the Be True to You, though. I'm going to put a little thing there. Does it Be True to You with that pink squiggle? I enjoy that very much. Now, need something up here. I will, let's see. Love today to do. Let's go to the pinks. I'll just put love and put a little of this kind of orangey yellow to go with it. Now I just want to make sure that I have enough spaces. So I have 7, good. Down like so, and this is like really thin. And I'm going to put a remember with this, maybe? Love, remember this. Okay. I actually really like that. I think that's cute, and then I still have tons of space here to write more things. Then this side. I feel like that's going to be a challenge. I want to do something, I say different, but it really won't be that different. I'm going to choose this floral, and how do I want to do this? I'm going to cut it in half. It's a huge floral as well. Or I could go with the purple. Just cut. I'm going to end up covering part of the date, and that's okay, because I think what I'm going to do is also put a box over part of this floral. And I will do the same down here. Actually, yeah, we'll put this here. Line that up. Then go into jewel tone boxes and grab boxes in the pink, probably. Although, no, the yellow wouldn't work. The pink would work best in this case. But what sizes do I have? I have that, which I think is too big. These could work. I'm going to put one box here. I enjoy that. And then another box here. Okay, I haven't used boxes in my spread in a really long time, so I'm actually really liking how that looks now. There's this floral, which I think would work best because it's the smallest one. Or the yellow looks really cute too. So if I do the yellow, like I could cut it here, and then Saturday would, I'm gonna white out where it says Friday. So that, I mean, I know it's Friday. And actually, now that I'm looking at this, it feels very Easter-like with this spread. And I know that these florals are kind of leaking into the other boxes, but I actually don't mind. I like the cascade of florals going down like so. Now let's see if I can find this kind of orange. I don't know if that works. So maybe this orange. This orange would probably work better. And I'll put one. Thing is, this peach might work. But then that, no, it's too big. I need one that's like in between this size. Urgh. I almost hate it when they're too big. And then one for here, I could do, you know what, I'll do the same color. So I feel like that's the theme we're kind of going with. So, just like so. Okay, then, that's really come together. And then I'm gonna put some icons with my lovely tweezers and put some down on Thursday, although I don't really think anything is happening on the Thursday. And then definitely on the Sunday, because it is Easter. And put one more down there too. I really like that. And then the pink, oops, that, this, and this for the 31st. Really cute. Actually really, really like that. And I think I'm gonna leave that as is. I don't want to add too much more because I feel like that would just overload it. What do you guys think? I really like that it's simple, but still lots of color, lots of beautiful florals. And I feel like, is there any more that I could add? I think I've done all I can to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I could certainly, let's see if this would work here. Cover up some of that orange. Or is that too much? Might be too much. I'm gonna leave that off there. All right, but that is it for me. I'm actually really happy with that. I love the colors. It's very spring. Feels very Easter without being too Easter. Do you know what I mean? All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.